Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to delete Reddit account instantly. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to reddit.com, and from here just simply go ahead and log in into your account. So the login button will be located on the top right, and once you are logged in, just simply go ahead and click on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And guys, from here just simply go ahead and go to the settings on the drop down menu. So now once you are on the settings, you should be able to see here the account tab, and after that just simply go to the advanced options over here, and you should be able to see the delete account at the very bottom. So just simply click on it, and from here guys just simply provide a reason why you are leaving, and after that just simply provide your username over here guys, and provide your password as well. And after that, just simply check this box. I understand that deleted accounts aren't recoverable. And after that, just simply click on delete, and you should be able to delete your account. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.